Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we are going to be making a recipe out of the Vegan Italian Kitchen Cookbook. First time really diving into this book, and we're going to make these, it says cupcakes, but we're just going to do muffins. And I know it says banana coffee, but I'm just doing banana chocolate chip. Being that the kids going to be eating this, no coffee in there. So this is what we're doing. You're going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour and you're going to throw that in a mixer. Then you're also going to take 1 cup of sugar, add that into your mixer. Then you're also going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, and then a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. There you go. Now we're going to add some spices. So we have a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. Half a teaspoon of each of these ground spices. Add that into your mixer. Then you're gonna just blend it up a little bit just to kind of get everything all combined. And then once that's done, we're gonna kind of work on our wet portion of this. And this is fairly easy. First thing you're gonna do is take 2 bananas ripe. They should be a little bit more ripe than these bananas, but this is what we have. So boom, mash them down. There you go, peel them, mash them. You're gonna add 1 cup of coconut milk. Then you're gonna add a half a cup of canola oil. Then after that will be followed by a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. You could also add in your 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, either into your wet mixture or after you have combined your wet with your dry. Here I kind of put some of them in the wet, as you're going to see it pouring down into my mixer, and then I'm going to add the remaining of the chocolate chips after. Mix that all up. Don't over mix it, and then you can start pouring it into your cups. These cups did not bake well, so I do not recommend getting baking cups. Just get a cupcake pan with some silicone liners. You're going to bake this at 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes or until you don't see any dough come out of it any longer. And this is what it should look like after. There is a recipe for your own filling, but it didn't come out well for us, so we just opted to make muffins. Enjoy. Till next time, have a sweet day.